Hi, I'm Mike Ungerman of the Central Florida Computer Society. In parts 1 and 2 of this series, we looked at the basics of what constitutes a solar voltaic system and how to research your home's present energy efficiency. In this third presentation, we'll investigate the potential for a solar voltaic system to provide solar energy for your home. This is a slide we've seen in previous presentations. The focus now is on the actual production of solar energy on your own property, which influences all of the other benefits of owning a solar PV system. It sometimes helps to see the big picture as we delve into the details of getting to our end goals. To that end, this short video is a good overview of what is involved in installing a complete solar PV system on an individual home. So before one makes the big step of acquiring that expensive solar PV system we just saw, you should have a good idea how well that system will perform for your home. How much of the sun's energy is actually available to the surface or surfaces that you will install the system on, and what tools are available to help you make this assessment. Listed on this slide are 2 of many free tools that can start your investigation on the potential for producing solar energy. They can help you figure out where to place your solar panels, how many panels will be required, and the potential cost for the complete system based on what you have calculated. Let's take a look at each of these in turn. First off is Google's Project Sunroof. Project Sunroof will let you search for your home, personalize your solar analysis, compare finance options, and provide a customized savings estimate. They also have the ability to do an area-wide solar potential search. So let's take a look at my address. Here in Florida. And it's already previously done a search. This is my home. We zoom in. It's not showing the solar system that's already on there, which you see behind me on this screen. So it's basically doing a calculation of where the sun is and what the potential is for sunlight per year, how many square feet are available for solar panels. I've actually installed 2 phases of solar energy, one on the south facing roof, which you can see is in the bright yellow, and one set of panels, which is on the eastern facing roof, which gets the morning sun and into the early afternoon. They're telling me that or they're saying, what's your average monthly electric bill? So if I start off with what it was way back when, around 400, you can see they're telling me that I really should have about 26.3 kilowatts worth of solar panels. and it gives you the environmental impact savings. Tells me if I purchase something like this up front, based on average prices, it'd be about $58,000. If, on the other hand, I take a look at what my current bill is, let's see if I can get it down. Let's just say $100. If I wish to completely offset that remaining $100 on my bill that we discussed in our last presentation, I could do about 6.3 kilowatts of additional solar. And if I were to do that, I'd probably pick this south-facing roof and this west-facing roof for the afternoon. The PV watts calculator can give you an energy production cost of energy grid. Allows you to take a look at estimates and the performance of potential PV installations. Again, I've put my address in. We get a map that basically says this area is where my home is located. We can zoom in on it. And this is the data that they have the National Solar Radiation Database information on. And let's take that 6 kilowatt addition. If I were going to put that on there, let's just say 7 kilowatts. And roof mounted. And I'm going to take an average of 135 degrees, which is southeast. And let's see, okay, I could draw the system, but I'm just going to go ahead and do the search. So they're going to tell me that with this additional, I'm going to save another 10,092 kilowatt hours per year. It's telling me which months I'm going to get the best solar production. You can see pretty much in the May area, March, April, May, generally, and that's my experience based on how open the skies are. So they're basically going through and showing you the additional information. So this is just a good site to take a look at to get an idea of what your overall wattage can do for you. One item that I don't have annotated on the slides is the solar federal tax credit, which is available from the energy.gov website. And the solar energy tax credit is available for 26% tax credit for systems installed in 2020 through 2022, which would be this year, and then 22% for next year. And expires starting in 2024 unless Congress renews it, and the chances are that it will be extended, but it's something that if you're going to make the decision, you may want to take advantage at the present time. So now if you're pretty sure you want to go the solar PV route for your home, you've seen some of the tools that help you along your way. Many more resources are available on the internet, including websites and YouTube videos. We've seen a couple of those today. One note of caution, though, some of the sites you might have the ulterior motivation of having you make a commitment to a particular solar installer or link you to a service that provides your information to solar installers who will start calling you or emailing you. So due diligence is recommended. And so our next presentation in this series will address just that issue, how to purchase your solar.